Here we're asked to sketch the graph here of the function, and to do so, we're going to find the vertical asymptotes, the horizontal asymptotes, holes, domain, and range. So in the first one here, vertical asymptotes, we're looking for, looks like there's a vertical asymptote when x is equal to 2. It is not a hole, and it looks like there are no holes because we can't make the numerator and denominator 0 at the same time. So what that means is that just vertical asymptote at x equals 2. So I'll go ahead and draw that on my graph to help us sketch it in a second here. Now let's take a look at the horizontal asymptotes, which we can see that the degree on the top and the bottom are the same, meaning we are going to have a horizontal asymptote at y equals the coefficient of the top to the coefficient of the bottom here. So this is just 1 and 1. So again, we have a horizontal asymptote there. And again, that's just the leading coefficient here. And next up, we are going to find, okay, we don't have any holes. The domain, let's take a look at the domain next. So the domain is pretty much anything but 2. So I'm going to use that in interval notation here. I'm going to represent the domain like this. So now we have the domain, and we got to see, okay, what is the graph going to look like on either side? So to do that, I'm going to go ahead and just plug in a number here. So in this first one here, I'm going to go ahead and plug in 1. So 1 minus 1 over 1 minus 2, that just gives me 0. So when x is 1, y is 0. And now I'll plug in 3. Again, I'm just plugging in 3 for x, right? So I'm just plugging it in here to see what a value is, to see which side of our asymptotes they are on. 3 minus 2, so that gives me 2 over 1. So when x is 3, y is 2. So it looks like our graph is going to look like this, and we're all finished.